Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage AI tools with Tableau, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the concept of AI tools and their relevance in today's data-driven world. Highlight Tableau as a powerful data visualization platform. Start by opening Tableau on your computer. Go to the Start page and familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on Connect to access your data sources. Select the data you want to analyze, whether from a file, server, or web data connector. Once your data is loaded, explore the Data Source tab to inspect your data fields. Next, navigate to the sheet view where data visualization takes place. Choose the type of chart or graph that aligns with your analysis goals. Drag and drop dimensions and measures onto the rows and columns shelves. Utilize Tableau's built-in AI features, such as Explain Data. Select a visualization and right-click to find the Explain Data option. Review the insights generated by Tableau's AI to deepen your analysis. Adjust your visualizations based on AI-driven insights for clarity and impact. Integrate AI-driven predictions by using Tableau's Forecast option. Apply your preferred forecasting model to your visual data. Explore the Parameters feature to allow for dynamic element adjustments. Create calculated fields as needed for more customized analyses. Once your visualizations are set, use Dashboard to compile them into a cohesive view. Drag sheets into the dashboard workspace to organize your visual elements. Enhance interactivity by adding filters and actions to your dashboard. Preview your dashboard to ensure everything functions smoothly before publishing. Finally, publish your finished dashboard to Tableau Server or Tableau Online for broader access. Monitor user engagement and feedback to continually optimize your AI-driven insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.